guys, welcome back to the channel. What's going on? Well, if some of you guys watch David's channel, you'll see that he moved at least one of his cars to his house, and the other one is there as well. Okay, my boss has generously let me keep my stuff in this particular side of the building 4 years and work on it and things like that. Well, all good things, I suppose, must come to an end. And he wants to rent this side of it out, and he has someone that is going to rent it. So I needed to relocate / move my stuff, our stuff. So that's what we started doing. That's what we've been doing for a while now, after work and stuff like that. And also, I mean, I've been unmotivated to work on anything, not because of this, just it was even before this situation, you know, came to light. I was like, it's hot, I don't want to work on anything, I'm just unmotivated, whatever, stuff like that. So that's mainly why we haven't put out any videos. I have always said, I do this for fun. I don't do it to make money or anything like that. So if I'm working on stuff, we put videos out. If we're not working on stuff, we don't put videos out. Sometimes we put out a lot. Sometimes we put out very few. Sometimes it takes a while. This situation just made it worse or whatever as far as putting out videos or anything like that. I just, you know, mess with this and I don't feel like working on anything like that. So, the good news, if you want to call it good news or bad news or whatever it is that I really I was pretty much over working on stuff out here. When I get off work, I just want to go home, and I'd rather work on it at home. On the weekends, I don't want to drive out here. You know, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm getting older. I just don't want to. I would rather be at home. So I'd already, you know, working on stuff like the Lincoln and stuff like that, you know, kind of sucked. We did get the intake fixed, and the Lincoln is at home, and that we'll probably tie that into this video, I guess. But the Lincoln is at home. Teresa's car is at home. Michael took one of his cars, and then there's a deal we've worked out on another car that he took home. And the other cars we've moved around, the van and Rob Zombie, you know, they're in the warehouse over here and stuff. So, but we do have the Lincoln at home, and we got Teresa's car at home as well to work on, because both of those we need to work on them. In the van, we still got to work on it, blah, 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 blah. So anyway, long story short, we're almost done moving. We still got the Dragon left to do. We've still got this table. We've got our toolbox and that table. And other than that, as you can see, we've pretty much got everything else. Give it a final sweep, and you know, we'll be good. So anyway, that's what's been going on. So I guess we'll move into the next clip. What do you think? And he's coming home. I mean, he'll finally be home full time now, or when he's not at school. So anyway, we'll get him back home, and be good for everybody. So all right, we'll see you guys in the next clip. We got something in the mail. This right, I'm curious to see what these look like. These are from Jason. These are actually for the Love Boat. Headlights on that car, he's like, dude, those headlights like blah, 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 blah. You know, and I'm like, yeah, you know me, guys. So he said, he found, yeah, I was like, these are Mustang. No, they're Lincoln. He got a set of Lincoln headlights. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, gosh. That's hilarious. The things that bother you guys. Freaking new headlights for the Lincoln. Are you kidding me? Oh, gosh. Well, Jason, thanks. Of course, you know, you already know that. But, all right. I mean, Lincoln got to be looking good, I guess, or looking however, but it's going to have new headlights. That's a fact. So obviously, I'll stick them in the car and see how they look. So, man, we've got so much to do and we're not getting anything done. All right, so that cracks me up. Oh, Lord have mercies. Anyway, Jason, thanks for the headlights. I certainly appreciate it. We'll get them stuck in the car. But that's just hilarious. That I don't know why that's so funny to me, but it is funny. So anyway, we'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys. It's another Buick. There's a lot of movement going on around here. This is a 64, 65. I can't actually remember which one it is. Hold on a second. I do not know how to open the hood on this rig. Okay, we're back. I got the hood open. This car's all original. This is my boss's wife's very first car. She got it like brand new. I say her very first car, that's what he told me. But it is, from what I understand, it's one owner car. She bought it new. It is all original. What were they, 330 nail heads? It's not the 401, it's the other one, or whatever it was. I'm not a big Buick guy as far as the nail head stuff, but like I say, it's all original. Convertible. It's Aztec gold. So got buckets. Got the old column shifter. I mean, interior's in good shape. I mean, it's a solid, honest old car. Not for sale, of course. Like I say, his wife passed away some years ago. Oh, it's probably been almost 20 years now that Pat passed away. So, yeah, he's like I say, he's got tucked in here. Last registration, 2003. I'm pretty sure she passed in 05. So it was last registered in 2003. So it was running when he pulled it in. Anyway, I know it's Buicks, whatever, but just another, these old cars are out there hiding, and they're not all pieces of crap either. I mean, you see people dragging some stuff like I drag out that is just garbage, but there's actually some really nice cars hiding in some spots. So anyway, that's it. Skylark, my man, hanging out back there. We're fixing to get him squared away a little bit, I think. So won't be long now. Well, our homeboy at work, Doug, got our steering welded up. Very happy with that. We are probably going to put this in a Love Boat. Originally, I was going to put this in McNugget, but my attention has drifted from McNugget, which I bought stuff for, which is fine because we'll get to it. Has drifted back over to the Love Boat since we have it at home. We've got some things we got to do to it, and we got to put I need to put a fresh seal in the transmission. In the rear, it's leaking, which is fine because we got to do the drive shaft anyway. And while we got the drive shaft out, we'll probably go ahead and open up the rear end. And I need to pull the axles out. I got to kind of do a measurement or whatever. We got ideas about stuff we're going to do, so we got to implement them, of course. I didn't work on it any today. I did get a car cover for it. I bought a car cover for it since it's at home. So look at me. I've actually bought a car cover for Brain too. I've never bought a car cover in my life ever. So I've actually bought 3 in the last like 2 weeks, which, wow, I guess I'm making up for lost time. So anyway, we got the drive shaft deal we're going to do on the Lincoln. We've got we're going to put this column in. We got some other stuff. Just right now, I'm motivated to work on it. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get to the track. That's the worst part of it because really need a trailer. I don't have the wiring done, all this other stuff. Anyway, whatever. So yeah, so that's what's been going on. The moving at the plant, moving stuff around the plant, getting that taken care of. Not been super motivated. I don't do a ton during the summer. It's just hot and miserable, and I just don't feel like doing it because I'm in the heat. I work basically in a pizza oven all day long, and when I get off, I don't want to be in a pizza oven anymore. I want to be in some air conditioning. So, you know, we'll try and get done what we can, but I don't know. So anyway, we're not dead. We're not whatever. Nothing bad's happened. Like I said, I just do this for fun. When I work on cars, I put videos out. When I don't put out videos. I don't necessarily feel like, you know, I should give you, or that you guys need a personnel update all the time. Just, you know, I'm just a guy like everyone else. So we put videos out. You guys watch them. When we don't, you guys watch other stuff, better stuff than what we got. So anyway, but I do appreciate the concern. So that's it. Nothing going on really. Ideas, a lot of ideas, a lot of research. I've been buying parts. I can say that much. I have been buying parts. Easy to buy parts and air conditioning. So thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. Jason, once again, the headlight, I only put the one in. It looks great. The other one's gonna look even better. We're gonna have some Lincoln stuff coming up. Since we do have it at home, we can work on it and get excited about it and get some stuff done. So I actually, for the record, watched 2 Lincoln videos today. I was actually going back looking for something, some weights, and I got to go through the videos to scan through them real quick to try and find what I'm looking for. But I caught myself just watching them, you know, looking for some inspiration. Just like, hey, this car's been a lot of fun. I mean, what little bit we've raced it. So anyway, again, thanks for all the support that you guys have given the channel, especially, like I say, Jason. I really appreciate the headlights, but especially thanks for watching. And until next time on the Substandard Leader and Fox Body Videos, this is your man's YouTube. 1 year push rod, 5-speed, single plane, Lincoln Town Cars. How far we've come from the first time I took that thing to the track. It's amazing. 4 drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, car cover buyer, redecorator, bartender, premium lap dancer for Club Big Boost. And as always, fighting good fighting at some zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next video. And yes, there will be one.